Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, May 28th and 29th, 2016. And it's going to be a hot one this weekend, a continuation of the upper 80s to near 90 across the region. And we're going to have just that isolated chance for a thunderstorm, mainly here on Saturday. I think Sunday it holds off, but it'll just be mainly for the far interior areas, probably across northeastern Pennsylvania. As you go to the next frame here, you can see that. Next frame here, you can see that. And you see it's mostly concentrated up here in these areas up here. So not outside of the question to see it sneak outside of that area. But you see this is mainly northeast PA from State College on eastward. So just a light chance, 20% chance of a passing shower or thunderstorm late in the day, much like we had yesterday, but not a big deal. And elsewhere we're looking at upper 80s near 90 for highs today again. And that's going to be the case on Sunday as well. As we get to Sunday, again, pretty much the same deal here with the precipitation holding off. We don't have anything going on, mostly the northern areas. Now, this down to our south here is what may become Bonnie, and Invest 91L, or Bonnie, whatever you want to call it, that will be affecting South Carolina. Here's all that rain with this. Now, we do have a cold front that's going to be coming in from the west, so this is going to create a tropical feed of moisture out ahead of it. And that's going to bring some locally heavy rainfall with any thunderstorms. If you look at the weather map here at face value, it looks like it's pretty much really overdone. It sends this area of precipitation northward ahead of the cold front. The cold front at this point is actually situated way back here and moving eastward. So this is all a southwesterly flow outside of the cold front, and you get a tropical feed of moisture just coming in to the area. Now, I think this is a little bit overdone here on this particular model, but it gives you the idea of that feed coming up ahead of that cold front until the cold front pushes through. You could have some, all this is telling me is you're going to have some with the high PWatt values, which are precipitable water. You'll have the opportunity for heavy rain in any of the thunderstorms, and they could be slow moving. So that's just that's the idea we're going with here on Memorial Day, Monday. So it looks like it's going to be a mostly cloudy day with the showers, and then heavy thunderstorms with heavy rain, I should say, not really severe. We're just talking about heavy thunderstorms in terms of rainfall, and then that moves off the coast, and then we have a nice day here, mostly sunny on Tuesday. Same thing, mostly sunny on Wednesday. Thursday we're going partly cloudy. This cold front is going to come in from the west, but it's going to be very slow to come through. Here's your cold front, all this precipitation out ahead of it, but it's going to be very slow to push eastward, so I don't think this comes in until Friday. So you should have another partly cloudy day here on Thursday. Temperatures during this period will be above normal, not ridiculously above normal in the 90s, but we're talking about temperatures that are going to be definitely in the middle 80s during this time frame, maybe some upper 80s in some spots, but for the most part it's going to be very warm as we get into most of next week, and mostly dry outside of Monday, and then again on Friday when this front finally comes through, and that's going to be here. So look at that on Friday. A day later it only moves to right here, so you have that opportunity for showers and thunderstorms again. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Behind that, though, it does look like you're going to cool down for a little bit. If you did see our long range last night, as a pretty cool shot of air coming in here, but not cold. This is going to get us back down to the 70s again for highs, which is either near or slightly below normal what it should be this time of year. So it'll be cool and refreshing. It won't be very hot. So if you're not a fan of the heat, as you're definitely going to get a break there, it looks like, from June 4th onward. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for May 28th and 29th, 2016. Have a great weekend.